Song. First, let's review. The music alphabet consists of 7 different letters. We have A, B, C, D, E, F, and G. Let's practice the music alphabet going up 3 times in rhythm. Can we do this? Let's try it. Starting on A. Ready? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Now, let's do it 3 times going down, starting with G. Okay? 3 times going down, starting with G. Ready? Here we go. And G, F, E, D, C, B, A, G, F, E, D, C, B, A, G, F, E, D, C, B, A. Okay, can you tell me what note goes after C going up? D. Okay. How about what note comes after A going up? B. Okay. How about what note comes after F going up? G. Okay, good job. What note comes after G? A. Now, what note comes before or below F? E. Okay. How about what note comes before or below C? B. Good. Okay. What note comes before or below A? G. Good job. All right, let's do it on the piano. Okay, so remember the very, very lowest key on the keyboard is A, all the way down here. So let's try finding all the A's across the entire piano keyboard. So here's A, very bottom one. Where's the next one? There's A, and then there's A, and A, and A, and A, and A, and A. Do you remember in between the 2 black keys, we had D. So let's try finding all the D's across the keyboard starting up here. Where's the very top D? There we go. There's D, and D, and D, and D, and D, and D, and D. That was the last one. Okay, remember how the 2 black keys have below them C and above them E, like that. So let's play those notes together all the way through the keyboard from the top to the bottom. So we'll start up here, skip that one since that one doesn't have an E. So we have C and E, 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 and C and E. So you also remember in between these 3 black keys, we have G and A. So let's try finding all the G and A combinations from the bottom of the keyboard up. So the bottom one's A, but we're going to come up to G and A. Okay, and then G and A, and then G and A, then G and A, and G and A, and then G and A. Oh, one more. We have G and A. So below and above the 3 black keys, you have F and then B. Let's play all of those going down the keyboard from the very top. So we have F and B, and then F and B, and then F and B, F and B, F and B, F and B, and one more, F and B. Let's play a game. This is Presto's piano keyboard assistant. If you notice, it's like an octave of ginormous keyboard. Look, you have the 3 black keys, you have the 2 black keys, and remember this one? In between the 2 black keys, you have D, and in between the 3 black keys, you have G and A, and then below the 2 black keys, you have C, and above you have E, and then below the 3 black keys, you have F, and above you have B. And look what I have. I have all the letters of the music alphabet. So we have A, B, C, D, E, F, and G. Can you help me put them onto the keyboard? Okay, let's see. We had, remember the first one we learned was between the two black keys we had D. So let's get D. Put them there, okay. And then between the three black keys we had G and A. So I have G up here and A here. So here's G and there's A, okay. Ooh, we're almost there. Below the two black keys you had C, right? So there's C. And then above the two black keys you had E, okay. And then below the three black keys you had F. And then above you had the last one, B. Ooh, so pretty. There you go. So you have the whole octave. You have C, D, E, F, G, A, B. Or remember how we learned it? We learned it A, B, C, D, E, F, G. And then it continues A, B, C, D, E, F, G. And then it keeps going. Do you remember where middle C is? Remember how it was basically right in the middle of the keyboard? Right there. So, if this is middle C, what should we call this C? I guess this is the first C above middle C. Okay, so then this one would be the second C above middle C, so 1, 2. And then this one would be the third C above middle C, 1, 2, 3. And then this one way up here is the fourth C above middle C. So if this is middle C, and this is the first C above middle C, let's call this one the first C below middle C. So then this one, C1, 2, this would be the second C below middle C. And then this one would be the third C below middle C. The Cuckoo Song uses a pattern of E and C, and we're going to start at the first E and C below middle C. And then we're going to jump up an octave, and we're going to do that 4 times. Let's do that again. E, C, E, C, E, C, E, C. Then, using just our right hand, we're going to start with our 1 finger on C, 1 finger, and then the 2 finger, and then the 3 finger, and the 4 finger, and the 5 finger. And then we're going to sing the note names. C, D, E, F, G. Then we're going to do the 4 cuckoos again, same as we did before, starting at the E and C below middle C. Then we're going to start with our right hand again on middle C with your 1 finger, and we're going to play C, D, E, D, C. Then we're going to finish the song with a final cuckoo starting on the 4th E above middle C. So where is that? Here's the first one, here's the second one, here's the third one, and here is the 4th one. So that's the end. So I'm going to play the whole song now, and you sing along with me, okay? Here we go. Cuckoo, 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 sings the bird all day. Cuckoo, 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 hear it far away. Cuckoo. Woohoo! That was so much fun. Let's do it again. All right, remember where we're starting? Down here? Cuckoo, 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 sings the bird all day. Cuckoo, 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 hear it far away. Cuckoo. Let's do it again, but this time I'm going to sing it using the letter names. So sing along with me if you can. Here we go. Easy, 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 easy. C, D, E, F, G. Easy, 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 easy. C, D, E, D, C. Easy. Okay, I'm going to do it one more time. You sing and play with me this time, okay? Here we go. Let's find our place. Here's middle C. Here is the first E below middle C. Ready? Here we go. Cuckoo, 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 sings the bird all day. Cuckoo, 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 So today, we learned the Cuckoo Song. Remember, practice all your songs, sing as you play, and memorize everything. Prestissima out.